Can you hear me?
I think I got him.
Sorry, can you repeat that? Marvin?
That's not a person.
What is it?
That is not a fucking person!
What? Marvin, talk to me. What do you see? What's going on? George, it's immediate. Marvin, what's going on? Kim, I need that suitcase. Here, hold it like this. George,
Okay, I'm here. Send it down.
one more. Gonna take a moment.